Showing Falcons 66-65. The Bulldogs are now at 9-2. We have Coach Jeff Napa, Jake Figueroa, and Mark Frank. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Ang ganda ng bounce back game ngayon ni Jake. Tapos si Mark nag-deliver sa inyo tonight. So ano masasabi mo sa nilaro nyo against Adamson talagang hanggang sa dulo hindi sila bumitaw?
Iyalamig ko yung sinabi ni Coach Shot kagabi. Alam mo yung panalo ka pero pakaramdam mo natalo ka. Kasi yung Adamson talagang binigay na yung best. So, they came out prepared, they came out ready. Siguro yung basketball gods lang talaga, biniles kami pa rin. Kahit despite na we play a bad game. Thankful kay Mark na na-shoot niya yung 2 points plus and 1. At least yung tinatrabaho ni Mark, unti-unti, nare-recognize. So, I'm happy for her, kumbaga, for our team, pero hindi ako natuwa dito sa game na to. Kaya nga sabi ko, iramin ko yung quote ni Coach Shot kagabi. Dahil talo dapat kami dito eh. Yun lang masasabi ko, pero still, yung basketball gods, binigay pa rin sa amin ito. Siguro kinakatok na kami talaga na kailangan pa rin talaga yung, yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, yung level up to our game coming to the last stretch of the second round is very crucial for us. Dito mare-recognize kung ano ba talaga kami. So yun yung lagi kong pinipreach sa kanila na kailangan yung pakita talaga yung next level ninyo para whatever happens, we will came up ready dito sa last stretch ng second round, going all the way sa Final Four.
Thank you to Mark. We have 10 points in 30 minutes action, 3 rebounds, 2 steals, 1 assist. So, what can you say? You have to grind it out before your team prevails against top Adamson. What can you say?
Just like Coach said, we still have a lot of work to do. We stepped up when we needed to, but it's still not enough. Our goal is to make it to the finals, and that's what we're trying to reach for. Coach explained to us that it's a championship team that we need to be. So we still got a lot of work to do, but I'm thankful for my teammates that stepped up and we just got the job done. I'm just thankful for my teammates that stepped up, but we still have a lot of work to do. So, and our goal is to be in the finals. So that's what we're going to do.
Thank you. To take 13.6 assists, 4 rebounds, 2 steals. So, yung daw nga kung nahihirapan kayo pero in the end, nakuha niyo yung panalo. So, being the leader yung sinabi mo sa mga teammates ko nung medyo pumapalag yung Adams.
Hindi, wala naman. Kumbaga, nag-focus lang kami. Hindi dapat kami marada sa ganung sitwasyon level na veteran team namin. So, yun lang, sabi ko lang sa kanila na mag-focus kami and gawin namin kung ano yung, syempre, yung mga little things, syempre. Tapos, yung kung anong gusto ni coach namin, which is yung effort and yung energy. Hindi dapat mawala.
Thank you, Jake. Okay, the floor is open for question.
Coach, the first team to make it to the Final Four. Sigurado na kayo whatever happens. But how do you, in a way, guard complacency, especially seeing the kind of challenge na pinakita ng Adamson, ganyan mga klaseng laro yung ina-expect mo pagdating ng Final Four?
Even yan, yung personal, ganun din kami sa kanila. So, ewan ko ba, kung baga, bakit pag-Adamson, ganun yung game namin. Pero, credit sa Adamson, they play terrific defense talaga. Kaya nga, they're number 1, number 2 defensive team dito sa UAAP. Ibang klaseng ginagawa nila Coach Nas doon, pero yun nga, still, ito, learning sa amin to na dapat maging ready pa talaga kami. Kasi hindi lang naman ganito yung mangyayari talaga sa amin. Marami pang pwedeng mangyayari sa amin, so kailangan, we have to take care our own talaga. We have to be ready, especially, yun nga, last stretch na to ng second round, so very crucial for us yung level of competition namin. Kailangan kami yung magre-reach ng bar talaga. So, hindi yung mga kalaban namin kami yung magdidictate ng bar na kung ano gusto namin. So, yun yung challenge ko sa team na talagang mataas na kailangan ipakita nyo yung best performance ninyo all the way para at least kahit papaano yung goal na gusto nila talagang mangyari is unti-unti makukuha namin talaga ng tama.
Coach, follow-up lang po sa question ni Kuya Rolf. The previous years po, magaling po yun yung first round tapos magdidip sa second round. What has, at paano po nag-iba yung maturity ng team, especially sa leadership ni Jake?
Actually, in-address ko na sa team yan. So, I already laid down kung dun sa samahan namin, mga past years namin. I already shared my thoughts kung ano yung kailangan. So, hopefully, naintindihan nila yung message ko sa kanila na para kung ano man yung gusto namin talagang ma-achieve this year, talagang makuha namin talaga yung gusto namin ma-achieve. Alam namin may obstacle, hindi naman mawawala yung mga pagsubok, kumbaga, or mga darating sa amin talagang, eto nga, sinubo kami, di ba, nawala kami isang player, kay Jello eh. So, good thing, may mga like Mark ready to step up na talagang, although nung first 2 years niya, medyo out of control, finding yourself na talagang ano ba talaga yung role niya sa team, yung mga ganon. Pero this year, hopefully, maging consistent pa siya sa ginagawa na niya. Ayoko kasi siyang i-credit o whatsoever. Never ako nag-credit sa mga players ko eh. So, yun yung lagi kong sinasabi. You have to be consistent kung ano man yung kailangan ng gawin sa team, mako-contribute siya sa team. So, hopefully, yun nga, yung sinabi ko sa kanila yesterday ba? Sinabi ko sa kanila yesterday kung ano yung kailangan naming approach, kung anong kailangan naming mindset dito sa last stretch ng UAAP sa second round. Hopefully may tama namin talaga.
Follow-up lang na Jake, ano masabi mo sa sinabi ni Coach na kailangan tumugon yung team sa panawagan?
Yun nga, kumbaga, malayo po kami sa gusto namin marating yung season. Tapos, yun nga, hindi naman namin alam kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa mga susunod na games namin. So, yun nga, lagi sinasabi ni Coach na, kumbaga, itaas pa namin yung level namin every game. Kasi, yun nga, kumbaga, sa mindset namin, ilagay namin na championship mode na talaga. So, tapos, yun lang lagi sinasabi ni Coach na kahit sino pwede maging leader sa amin kasi nga, veteran team.
Mark, Coach talked about setting the bar earlier, but for you personally, of course, the family bar is pretty high.
Tagalog yan.
With your brother, how are you taking that type of challenge, of course, knowing, the impact of your brother in NU, and how are you feeling that role right now?
We talk all the time, and he knows that I'm a different person, and he's a different person as well. And I'm just trying to create my own legacy. He has his. So whatever we talked, he just told me to be myself and just be the best I can be. So I just try to step up to that challenge, whatever coaches or the players give me, and I'll just do that. So.
Jake, sa'yo, solid ka first 3 quarters, 2 points ng ata first 3 quarters, tapos buong game naghahabol kayo, sa dulo may ending lapses din. So, as one of the team leaders, paano mo lang sinisigurado to keep yung composure ng team, hindi lang sa side mo, but also to remind the team na easy lang tayo makuha pa yung natin yung panalo?
Di naman sa akin yung nanggaling, kumbaga kay Coach. Hindi na please ko naman si Coach kanina dahil yun nga, sobrang struggle ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, sobrang frustrated na ako. Tapos, yun lang, in-approach na ako ng maayos sa mga teammates ko, especially mga coach na, yun nga, palit din sa bata. Tapos, alisin mo yung, tawag dito, inner. So, yun, kahit pa paano naman, naging compose ako, and kung anong iba to sa amin ni Coach na, yun nga, game plan, nakakonvert naman namin.
Nabutit mo na frustrating na yung first 3 quarters mo, pero gano'n ko feeling na na-overcome mo yun with not only the victory, pero also ito, and yung pasok mo sa Final Four ngayon, first team kayo.
Hindi naman namin iniisip yun eh, kumbaga, focus pa rin kami kung ano yung goal namin ngayon. Tapos, syempre, focus din kami kung ano pa yung pwede namin i-improve as a team. Kasi malayo pa, kumbaga. Tapos, yun lang, kahit sino, pwede.
Ano po yun?
So, Jake, yun nga, yung winning this game, ang daming lapses sa dulo, kaya nagawa niyo pa rin ang paraan. So, pwede mo bang kwento yung paano ba ikaw at makasama mo yung composure para makalusot today? Kasi mas hihirap pa yung mga next games.
Parang na magic lang. Hindi ko rin maintindihan kung ano nangyari. Buti, na-miss ni Aaron, nakita ko agad si Mark, pinasa ko. Pero syempre, as a leader talaga, need mo i-organize kung sino nasa loob. Syempre, and need mo maging compose pag, yun nga, intense yung game. Need mo maging compose kasi pag once na narattle ka, umulang mawawala.
Congratulations, Coach Jeff.